Alrighty, excuse me. On this side, I'm gonna boil my rice with the cardamom and cinnamon. It's the first time I'm cooking my rice like this. Sizakhe sibona ukuthi kuphuma kanjani, kodwa izoba mnandi ngoba iphunga elila ekhishini. Wow, ayimnandi madoda. Alright, so I'm boiling the rice first, and this is basmati rice. It's not, I usually use jasmine rice for other stuff, but for this kind of rice, I'm using basmati. Yabona ungayithola basmati kula mashop wamandiya lapha eMzansi. So mangayakhona nje ungayithola le basmati uthenge kakhulu moyiklina kuqala bese uyayirinsa and then uyayisoka before ipheka kuba ngcono kakhulu izoba soft izosheshe ipheke kodwa mawupheka nje ungayirinsanga ungayisokanga ayisemathateni ndoda rinsa and then uyisoke bese uyapheka ukhaya. Sorry, I couldn't record this because my YouTube video was uploading and I used the same phone. So what I did is the rice was boiling rice, so I took it off the stove, I rinsed it out, took out the seeds, and then I rinse it with cold water because I want to stop the cooking process. I don't want mushy rice. Because when I make that jollof rice, it was kind of mushy. I don't want mushy rice. So I'm stopping the cooking process by rinsing it with cold water. Okay, and see, it looks kind of firm. I like that, and it's soft but firm enough. I think my oil is ready. So I have a finely chopped onion. Put that in there. This is for my rice. All right, so just kind of sauteing. I don't want it to brown too much. So now I will add my turmeric to this. All right, so I added some ground turmeric. It's so pretty. That's such a pretty color, I swear. Now I'm adding my rice that I cooked and rinsed. Yes! Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle! Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle! And just mix it all up. Line with the cook and then drink it all at once. Ooh, I still see one cardamom seed. Somebody did not clean the rice properly. That's okay, I'll just take that out. So, but you mix the rice, and I'm trying to record and mix. Let me mix it and then I'll report. Like, you guys don't understand. I'm like so proud of myself with this rice. It just smells amazing. You don't see the yellow properly. Let me turn this light off. See, now you can see the yellow. You see how nice and pretty that is? I wish you could smell through the phone. That's my rice, and it looks firm enough. It's not all mushy like that. Hey, jollof rice yamaqanda ngifuna ukuyuza igama elibi. Oh, there goes my another cardamom. See, let me take that out. But hey, thank you basmati. Yazi into rice yami, siyabonga. So the rice emnandi namhlanje.